a story that we never told. So for your sake and for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. For our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. Be your captain. I'll always be your captain.
Good evening, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and are settled for the event. This is Anisha.
This is Priyanka, and we welcome you to the induction of Google Developer Student Clubs.
Proud and honored to introduce you to the Google Developer Student Clubs of your very own college, that is, College of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. So, are you all excited? Because we very much are.
Okay, guys, you can reply us using the chat box. Are you all excited or not? Okay, we have. Okay, it seems everyone is excited, so we won't be delaying any further. Okay, before starting, tell me how many of you want to become developers in future? Let me repeat. Okay, how many of you want to become developers in future? Okay, cool. Anisha, it seems that we are going to have many future developers.
Yep,
And
they all are very excited.
yeah, it can be clearly seen. So,
Yep.
have you ever wondered, like, what is basically the work of a developer? The websites we see, the applications in our phones, the video games, to develop. Okay, so the websites we see, the applications we have in our phone, the video games, the operating system. For all of this to work, a developer basically has to write a code to tell the system what it has to do for each and everything. And how a developer does that? This is something you will be learning. We all will be learning in the club.
But Priyanka, don't you think with the boom in the IT industry, with so much competition and peer pressure, is it actually worth it?
Well, that's a great question, but yes, it is worth it. First of all, being a developer provides us with various career options. Secondly, as a developer, learning becomes a habit because you are quite updated about the new technologies, the new technical stacks, and what can be
Yep.
more cool than this. And most importantly, as a developer, a person involves himself or herself in building better services or product for the mankind, which is highly beneficial. So
Yes.
so I think it is, even though there is a bit of peer pressure, there is a competition, but yeah, this is totally worth it.
Yes,
And
it's worth it.
I think we have pretty well explained our attendees about what is basically the work of a developer, and I really feel that you can better explain to them what it feels like being a developer.
Of course, Priyanka. Well, to put in simple terms, software development is a booming industry and offers a career path with endless progression and opportunities, depending on how good
Yes.
you are. I mean, developing an app and a new piece of technology sounds pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
But there is so much more to the role of being a developer than we can imagine, right, Priyanka? From the skills to the perks and the challenges that come with it. So for me, being a developer includes a variety of working on a variety of projects which involve different working skills, having hands-on problem-solving skills, working in teams as teamwork is one of the most important aspects of developers should have. Being a great communicator amongst your colleagues and challenging oneself to be better every day. So long story short, being a developer means giving yourself every single opportunity to learn can and wherever you can.
Yeah, that's perfectly, like, you explained it right pretty well. So there is a statement which says import traits from developers. what we basically want to convey is that the developer needs to have certain traits, and I will want all of you to list out some of the traits which according to you a developer should have. And if you have listened to Anisha with patience and with concentration, I don't think this is a very tough question, right? Guys, the chat box is yours. You can okay, creativity. We have a reply. You can write
Creativity, yes.
anything which comes to your mind when you think of the word developer. Skills in domain, night owl. Okay, patience. Okay, guys,
Patience,
we
yes.
need more replies. Team player, practical knowledge, Stack Overflow. Okay, that reply, Anisha, you can see Stack
Oh
Overflow.
my God,
Coffee.
Stack Overflow, yep, coffee,
Exactly.
night owl.
Problem solving.
Exactly,
learning.
absolutely.
Yeah, perfectly. Learning to Google, consistency. Yeah, that is something. Okay, cool. So, as all of you, most of you have already mentioned the traits that a developer should have, and you can see in the screen we have listed out some of the traits which, according to us, a developer should have. So, first of all, a developer should be adaptable. Like being a developer requires you to be comfortable with learning, comfortable with learning new stacks, new technologies. You should be always comfortable about learning, then unlearning, and this cycle should kind of go on. Secondly, as a developer, you should be comfortable working individually, but along with that, you should be comfortable working in a team. Like when you work on a team, many factors gets added on, but you should be able to cope up with everyone and focus on your end goals, and the results will be very fantastic. In short, you need to be a team player.
Well, Priyanka, I also think the traits of being a developer, as they have been mentioned in the chat box, the creativity, being
Yeah.
creative with one's own ideas and discovering new open source tools and resources to work with consistently. Because I feel like open source has been a platform for the developers in the recent years, where they can learn new stacks and, they can just advance in their own stacks, they can advance their skills. And of course, without saying, as a developer, Stack Overflow is always the go-to destination in case you face any challenges. Like if you're stuck in a code or whether a question is small or big, you type it out in Stack Overflow and there will be an answer to the question. And I think we both as developers are well aware of how important it is for us.
Well, of course, I think one of the attendees also mentioned about Stack Overflow. Like the life of a developer can be imagined without Stack Overflow. And
Yes, absolutely.
most importantly, I don't think I need to explain it in details about the strong bond or the relationship the developers share with Coffee.
Of course, that is also one of the aspects. Like,
Yeah.
as we have mentioned in one of our slides, also, we developers believe in turning coffee into code. Like, we
Yes.
have a cup of coffee and we are good to go.
Yeah.
So, enough with this sarcasm now. Well, the next slide is what GDSC is all about. So, Swaraj, would you take up the slide? Now it's your forte.
Sure, Anisha. My pleasure. So, hello, guys. This is Swaraj here. I am here to explain you guys all about the motive, the aim, the purpose of this club. Guys, ऐसे बहुत बार होता है ना कि आपको एक ग्राउंड ब्रेकिंग सा आइडिया आता है, लेकिन आपको इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करना है उसका आइडिया बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. यहाँ पे GDSC का रोल आता है, ठीक है. So basically, GDSC एक students community है, which is designed to help us students convert our ideas into reality, build projects that help the community. And this goes without saying, it also helps us develop our technical skills with the help of Google community and its provided platforms. So the club kind of intends to be a space for students to try out new ideas and collaborate. See, collaborate is the crucial word here. क्योंकि teamwork is a key component when it comes to solving problems based on mobile platform हो, web development platforms हो, cloud computing हो, machine learning हो, वगैरह वगैरह, जिसके बारे में हम आगे विस्तार में विचार करेंगे. एक और बात, this club is open to any student, ranging from novice developers जो अभी start कर रहे हैं, to advanced developers who wants to further amplify their skills. See, its main intention is एक ऐसा community बनाना है जहां सारे members मिलके एक peer-to-peer environment में अपने experiences दूसरों के साथ share कर सकें और मिलके कुछ नया, कुछ innovative ideas/projects पे काम कर सकें. I hope आपको थोड़ा कुछ idea मिल ही गया होगा. So yes, this was all about the club. और जैसे कि मैं बोल रहा था, you guys must be quite inquisitive about the domains of this club. So Rupesh मेरे भाई, help me out here.
Yeah, sure. So, hello guys, I'm Rupesh. So the main thing here is how many domains to explore, like how many domains to learn. Before that, I want you to answer one thing: that what do you mean by a domain? Like Google mat harna, but answer me that what do you mean by a domain in layman terms? What is a domain? Fields, yeah, fields to work on. It's kind of an answer. Then field for our work, again area of work, yeah, cool. uh, Somewhat similar, like those skills, you can term it as skills, knowledge of the area, yeah, skills. So secondly, my second question is, answer me which is more necessary, a domain or an idea. What is more necessary for you? Like idea, domain, idea. Yeah, there is a lot of fight over this question. Many people are saying idea, many people are saying domain, many people are saying both. Yeah, both can be the answer. But the thing is, guys, know one thing, that it is always about the idea. A domain is only a tool, to be precise. It is an idea which creates a job. It is a domain which gets your salary. You're getting the point, right? Like hustle for ideas, because everybody is already running after their salary. But again, you get thousands of ideas within a day. Without your skills, those are mere thoughts. So you definitely need to master various domains. So domains do play a very vital role. Domains, we are having an open mind regarding the selection of domains. Everyone is allowed to choose their respective domain with ease, except there's a catch here, that we won't allow members to work on domains like ML and AI, because these domains are replacing humans by automating stuff, hence promoting joblessness. Ye kya baat hui yaar? That's the reason why our club is not a big fan of ML, AI, and the rest. Hence, we won't allow any projects on these. A bazinga. That was a light joke, guys. Please don't get serious. Honestly, promote each and every domain. I could take some names, but the thing is, if I start taking names of domains included in the club, it will take a long time. So just keep an open mind. Feel free to take part in anything and everything. And to make up for that AI job, because I'm seeing a lot of spam over here, we would really appreciate anything which reduces human effort in any form by automating stuff. Hope you get it, right? अभी थोड़ा सा पढ़ाई कल क्या, बिकॉज आप कोडिंग वाले क्लब में आए हैं तो थोड़ा सा कोडिंग तो करेंगे ना, बिकॉज इट्स ऑब्वियस. सो कैन वी हैव द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड प्लीज? Yeah. So can anyone please tell me that what kind of loop this is? Yeah, someone said infinite. Oh my god, this club is going to be great. I didn't expect such a response. It's great, guys. You guys are awesome. Trust me, you guys are awesome. So as I said that we will be having infinite choices to work on in the club. This is a small infinite while loop which most of you answered correctly to explain that fact. Hope everyone gets it. Those who didn't get it, no worries. You can see it later too. Basically, if you have any idea of yours, this club will definitely help you in seeking your maximum potential. And this is what we guarantee. Now, projects, domains, blah, 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 blah. Every club, same drama. Why is no one talking about the perks? अपने को आखिर में फायदा क्या मिलेगा? Can someone please explain that, please?
रुको भाई, थोड़ा सबर कर लो. Hello, please. This is Sumakant here, and here comes the moment to know about what are the perks and member of developer students clubs. The club is kept for you. Yeah. Fine. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Seems that the eagerness is growing among the attendees to know what about them, right? Okay. Then let's know about it. The club will enhance the technical as well as industrial knowledge of its developers by peer-to-peer webinars, events, hackathons, and workshops. The club will help students gain relevant industrial experience by building real-life technology-based solutions to problems of local organizations in your community. You'd get a chance to work on different domains as per your interest and hence widen your personal as well as professional network. The club will conduct different study camps for the students where mentors will drive you respective domains. You can showcase prototypes and solutions to your local community. And the industry leader will help you shape your ideas into real-world applications. You can also use resources to create something out of the box that will make an impact on your society and be recognized as a collaborator of Google developers. Oh, that's apart from this, let's explore about the most exciting swag that Google has kept for its skilled developers. Developers win, so it rewards its winner with a variety of swags such as t-shirts, badges, headphones, sticker pack, and bags, and so on. It organizes different events to enhance the knowledge as well as technical skills of the students of the club and rewards them with such exciting perks. So right? Okay, then hurry up to join the club and grab as many swags as you can. But wait. Since the crowd is now thinking about how to get all of these swags for free. That's not like that. You can level those swags only by showing skills, talents by fun events, and all connected by the developer student clubs. So now I assume that you have got a brief idea of the perks provided by the club. Isn't it? Oh, so Swaraj would like to take the orientation further. See?
Swaraj, I would like to stop you for a moment. All of you, please, I would like to welcome our esteemed teacher, Mrs. Ananya Dastida ma'am, for gracing us with her presence. Ma'am, good evening.
Yeah, a very good evening to all of you.
Good evening, ma'am. Ma'am, I would invite you to please enlighten us with your auspicious words for the club. Please, ma'am.
It has already, I'll not take much of your time. Good evening, all the students and members who are present over here. I just have a few words regarding this to say that I feel that, creativity is one of the, prominent characteristics of human species. And so only when we are creating something, I always feel that we are actually utilizing our potential to the fullest as a human being. And as you all know that creativity does not mean only art, it could be creativity in any domain. So because you people belong to technical domain, so I feel that the creativity which you have in you towards the design and development of any solutions to engineering problems can be supplemented through this peer-to-peer learning and collaborative group works. And I hope that this Google Developer Student Club will meet its objective of helping you to bridge the gap, between the theoretical things that you do in the class and the practical or hands-on training or hands-on work that you would like to do. And of course, it should also pave the way in making you realize the current trends and how you can contribute towards a better nation. So, okay, I'll not take much of your time, as I said. So, very congratulations to the organizing team who could make it possible for this collaboration between Google and College of Engineering and Technology. And I also welcome all the members, the new members. I hope you will really be, get a lot of encouragement. You'll get a lot of insights. You can, meet different people. You can know about different things from this club. And I hope all the success to this venture. Thank you, all of you. You all can continue.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your enthralling words of wisdom for us. This definitely boosts up our confidence as a team. So now,
Yeah.
Swaraj, you can continue. Thank you so much,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah.
ओके सो गाइस मैं फिर से वापस आ गया सो अभी मेरा काम यह है आप लोगों को ये समझाना है कि इस क्लब में आपको क्या नया करने को मिलेगा, क्या नया सीखने को मिलेगा, क्या नया एक्सपोजर मिलेगा ये क्लब में आपको। सो ऑफ कोर्स एक गूगल का क्लब है, मेरे को ज़्यादा समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप खुद ही समझ रहे होंगे। यू गेट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ द गूगल कम्युनिटी। आपको एक ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी ऑफ डेवलपर्स के साथ मिलने का मतलब मौका मिल रहा है। आप एक ग्लोबल कम्युनिटी का हिस्सा बन रहे हो। यू गेट टू टेक पार्ट इन रेगुलर हैकाथॉन्स, इवेंट, स्टडी जैम्स होगा, सेमिनार्स होगा, वर्कशॉप्स होगा, बाहर से मेंटर्स आएंगे टॉक्स देने के लिए, आपको गाइड करने के लिए। यू गेट टू वर्क विद फेलो मेंबर्स, आपके अपने मेंबर्स के साथ आप गूगल के प्रोवाइडेड प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे, गूगल के एसेट्स पे काम करने को मिलेगा, सीखने को मिलेगा। एंड दिस गोज विदाउट सेइंग कि you get to grow, you learn, and you tap into your potential. Like, you stay ahead of your peers. आपको दूसरों से पहले बहुत कुछ करने को मिल रहा है। एंड मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली आपको गूगल के सॉल्यूशन चैलेंज में हिस्सा लेने का मौका मिलेगा, और ये एक्सक्लूसिवली जीडीएससी स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही होता है। इसके बारे में आपको डिटेल में अलिप्ता जी बताएंगी। सो अलिप्ता, ओवर टू यू।
Yeah, sure, Swaraj. Good evening. This is Alipta. Well, my slide is relatively boring, but very informative about the upcoming competitions. This is really heart-wrenching to remind all these, but it is necessary to look after these problems also. I'm talking about all those forest fires, threat to our climates, the increasing sea level endangering the island due to global warming, and all the human-made things that is bringing us threats. To solve all these problems, United Nations and Google joined hands and created Google Solution Challenge. And in 2015, UN created 17 Sustainable Development Goals and aimed to achieve it by 2030. These 17 SDGs have been agreed upon all by 193 United Nations member states, and it aims to end poverty, ensure prosperity, and protect the planet. This is like our day-to-day problems. This is an annual event, and the students from all over the universe, all over the world, the students used to get participate from universities, and it is done through the GDSC. The 2021 Solution Challenge mission was to solve for one or more of the United Nations using Google technology. Let me read out some of the SDGs. That is no poverty, life on land, good health and well-being, zero hunger, etc. Now, the Solution Challenge 2022 will start in the month of January or February, and only those students can participate that are part of GDSC. And GDSC will definitely help you to prepare for this challenge. And now let's hear it from our team how it feels to be a part of GDSC, and also you can all clear all your doubts and queries from them.
So, hey guys, hello everyone. I hope I am visible. So, hello everyone, it's really nice to see you all. So, hello, I am Abhishek and I would like to talk about myself. I'll be basically the Google Developer Student Club's lead for the next upcoming year. And I would like to welcome you all to the club. I'm really happy to see you all so much energetic around here. So I would love to introduce you to our team of DSC CTB. So, hey Trideep, can you switch on your mic and camera too? Trideep, am I audible? I think Trideep ran around with a glitch. So I would like to welcome Rupesh next. Rupesh, am I audible?
Yeah, hi. Hello, guys.
Hey, Rupesh.
Yeah,
so
hi.
He is Rupesh Chandramanthi and he is the web development lead of Google Developer Student Club. And now after him, I would like to welcome Suryanshu Das. Suryanshu? Hello, Suryanshu. And Suryanshu Das will be your DS and ML lead for the next upcoming year. Now I would like to welcome Prajojita Das.
Hi everyone, and that's Prajojita Naik to correct you.
Oh, sorry. I just went wrong. So,
Yeah,
hi,
that's okay.
Prajojita. So,
Uh,
she will be the design lead for the upcoming year.
Hi guys, I hope you're having a good.
And now I would like to welcome Anisha Biswal.
So, hello guys, this is Anisha.
And she'll be the management lead for the upcoming year. Trideep, are you still there? Are you with us?
I think Pradeep is having some problem. Okay, it's got the access.
We can wait for him for some time, or we can start with the question.
Yeah, hi.
Oh,
Are you guys able to see me?
Yeah, you are visible. Hello, Trideep.
Hi, everyone.
So Trideep is the technical coordinator, and he'll be a technical coordinator of the DSC CET-B for the upcoming year. So on behalf of the team, I would love to welcome you all to DSC CET-B. And Trideep, would you like to carry on?
Yeah, sure. So, hi again, Trideep here. And actually, it was all talk right now. You were just listening. That was a one-side conversation. Now, I would like to we would like to have all your doubts regarding the club. You might have a lot and lots of doubts. So, you can start. You can throw all your questions and doubts. And you can even also, you can tell us if you want to know about us or you want to tell something about yourself, then you can go on with the chat.
You can ask any questions that you like expectations that you'll have from us, from the club, anything like that.
There's already a question, I guess.
Already a question. How can we join the club and be a part? Don't worry about that. In the upcoming slides, we'll be explaining you how you'll be going to be a part of the club and we'll be claiming your membership badge. Then we have another question. Yes, Prajojita, would you like to
Yeah, I think you could take up this question. Are we going to have any exam?
So, no, you're not going to have any such exam since it's a club that is open for everyone. Everyone is allowed to come and learn and share their knowledge. So, yes, you're not going to have any exam.
Actually, there would be kind of an exam, like you just have to examine yourself and just decide if you're creative enough and interested enough to join or not.
To clarify this point, it's basically not an exam. It's basically you have to prove yourself. You have to show your skills that you should be a part of this team. So
Yes,
that's
right.
the main point.
Okay, I think we have another question. How is this club going to function? So, Trideep, would you like to take this up?
Yeah, sure. It's just like the other clubs in the college, but this is a different one. And we'll be having all those software domains and every domain, as Rupesh Mishra said earlier. So it will be functioning just like a general club. We'll be having activities. We'll be having different hackathons, competitions, and workshops and all. So
yeah, so it's like there'll be tons of activities, and you will be updated about it soon in the upcoming days only. And then we have another question: can we have regular sessions for learning in this club? Yes, you will have. You have study jams, you have workshops, you actually have many things. So every Wednesday or every Friday, the date hasn't been declared yet. So, but every week you will be having some study jams to learn and continue with the club. So that's not a problem. And then we have, I'm not an expert developer. Can I join the club? Rupesh, would you like to take this?
Sure. Yeah. So basically, this club, as Swaraj said, that this is for novice developers as well as advanced developers. So you don't have to be that much skilled in a programming language to get into it. You will start with us. We'll teach you those stuff, like we'll teach you frameworks, we'll teach you languages. So don't worry about that and just enjoy this moment and feel excited about this club because there's a lot for you in future.
Great, that was really great. So we have, I think, another more question. How can we participate in hackathons? I have no idea how to make any project. So I think all the members of the team can answer this question. It's a great one.
I would like to go for this. I mean, see, we really don't have any idea or any such projects. What we do is that we sit in a group of 4 to 5 people and we talk just like we talk in the term we say khoti. And from that khoti, we actually develop some idea, and you will be developing that either in the club. You may do that in the canteen. You may do that in the near your house, that can be anywhere, and we would be just helping you with the idea. You just bring the idea, we will be guiding you through the process, like how you can modify it, how you can improve it, and for that part you can develop your own project.
Yeah, I would like to just add on that you need not panic or second give a second thought to anything regarding any such kind of thing right now. We will be there to guide you at every single step.
Yeah, and I also like to add something that as Anisha and Priyanka said that there is so much open source contribution, so you can just go and search for any part or code snippet. So you just need to have an idea. Then it's not difficult to code that or to create that section. So don't worry about the code part. Just focus on the idea and try to brainstorm that. जो त्रिदीप ने बोला खट्टी, so खट्टी करके talk about that idea and discuss what are the possible problems you can solve with that. Yeah.
So
Questions, if you have, then you can shoot the questions, right? And
you can actually see how the leads are so excited to take you up inside the club.
There's a
Okay,
question.
there's
Question?
Will this club be included in the college only? I mean, apart from talks from experts, will we be collaborating with other JTSC outside the college? Yes, of course. DSC is all about that. DSC is all about collaboration, how we mean to work together. Obviously, different colleges, not only from Odisha itself, but also from outside of Odisha, we will be collaborating and conducting different events for you all. Yes, we have another
I
question.
think
I think who's gonna
until
take
our
this up?
physical classes are opened, are we going to learn online? Do we have any other mode of communication right now?
we can use telekinesis to do.
So yes,
So yes,
I would like
online
to
is the
add up
pretty
that-
much.
Out of that, we will be continuing in online mode, but don't worry about that. It's not going to be boring at all. It's going to be highly interesting, and we have many things planned for you in the future. So another question: what are the prerequisites to join this club? Anyone?
Yes, that is just your
Well, I would
interest
like to
and your willingness.
Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Same only.
Yeah, Suraj, go ahead. Yeah, Suraj, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just saying the same thing as Prajita was saying,
Not
that like the only prerequisite you need to join this club will be your thirst for knowledge. You want to collaborate, you want to build stuff, you want to become a developer, other sense has been saying in the whole presentation. So that's the only prerequisite, I guess.
Great. So we'll be for another 2 to 3 minutes, I guess, and then we can proceed. We can take up more questions. We have more 2 to 3 minutes for that.
I was actually expecting some more questions, but
Can we have some interesting questions?
yeah, I was hoping for some interesting questions. But
And
let's
we
see.
don't promote so much of like you cannot be shy so much at this club. So it's
Yeah.
better that you start sharing your questions that you have. You can just feel free to ask any questions, provided that
or-
must be related to DSC though.
Yeah, or at least just show us your excitement
Yeah.
to join this
Yes.
club.
Yeah, you can do one thing is you can type yay DSC CTB if you are excited. We could go for that.
Okay.
Okay.
Maybe
yeah,
lot of
actually.
response.
Maybe the better. Oh,
That was a nice one, Rishabh.
Okay. There is another question, I assume.
yeah.
Being a part of DSC, can we expect referrals for off-campus interviews? See, I would like to take up this question. See, you cannot get referrals for off-campus interviews, but obviously you can show that you are a part of DSC. You will be receiving badges regarding the same, but yes, it's not possible for us to get provide you with referrals. Though.
I would also like to add something that you guys have to think that this is a bigger thing than placements, right? Placements is a different thing and this is a different thing. This is a bigger thing than placements. So if you think of placements and GDAC as same thing, then that's up to you, mate, because that's not going to happen, right? So you have to think of this as a bigger thing and then prepare for it.
So it's a little greater than that. I won't deny the fact that it's not going to help you, but yes, as Rupesh said, it's a far more greater than that. Okay, Bhai, this is this club. Don't call us Bhai. It's getting a little weird in that way. This club is collaboration with Google or set up by Google. Actually, you can take up both the points. It actually works. It It is in collaboration with Google and as well as set up by Google. It is backed up by Google. You will be working with Google's products, services, and all other things. So yes, you can actually say that it is set up by Google. Actually, both the terms mean actually the same. So I think we can take one or two more questions and then we can proceed.
Yeah.
Okay, there's a
What
question.
competitions? What competitions? Okay, there are many questions actually. What competitions from Google are we expecting within the club and at what time of the year? So anyone would like to take this question, or I would take this question if it works.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, fine. So actually, you are going to expect some competitions very soon, and obviously, I would like to speak about the solution challenge. If you know about it, it was already explained to you in the previous slide. It is one of the, you could say, exclusive events to DSC. Only DSC students can participate in it. And also we are going to prepare you for that, and it will be coming up in the month of January and February. Apart from that, many other competitions and hackathons will be organized in the upcoming months itself. And obviously till the next year. So yes, you can expect it actually soon.
There are two questions which are relatable. I mean, is there any scope for blockchain and DevOps, and how many different domains, fields will we explore?
Does this club cover a lot ground or just single-minded till the end? I think Rupesh, Trideep, you can,
Yeah.
you can take up on this.
The first question, there's a question that is there any scope for blockchain and DevOps? So blockchain, we'll be working on blockchain, we'll be working on DevOps. There's a lot of stuff, but we are not covering the technical stuff right now. So we'll be learning all of them, but now we can't reveal what we are going to do because that's a surprise for you guys. So wait for it and just stay excited for it. And the second question, I think Trideep can answer it in a better way.
No, it has always earlier been answered and by Rupesh. It has all the domains, but right now we will be actually exploring the every domains, and we'll be doing projects, and we would actually be having workshops and study jams regarding the domains that you are telling about, like blockchains and DevOps, and that might clear up later. We will be telling you more details.
So I would like to add up that you don't need to focus that much on domains, because we'll be covering all the domains in a different way, that is in the form of projects that was already explained to you. So I don't think you need to worry much about domains here. Okay, there is another question. Are we going to develop Google apps? I think this question doesn't make any, it's not that accurate. Like, are you talking about developing apps or developing, what do you mean?
I guess Abhishek, he's asking that if you're going to integrate our applications with Google applications like Firebase, or like, are you going to use those applications?
Yeah, if you're talking about using Google's products, then obviously we're going to use them. But if you're talking about Google giving us project to work on that, I think that's not possible right now. Will there be any data science project? Suryanshu, will there be any data science project?
Well, there will be way more than data science project. There will be data science project which will be individual, as well as they will be in collaboration with other kind of domains too. There will be lots of integration with when you work with this club. So I guess that's way more than just a single domain based project.
Great. So I think this is the last question that we'll be taking up. How GTS is different from GitHub? Like, that is also about collaboration and development. I don't know, relevant question or not. See, Lohit, I would like to answer. Every question is relevant. And talking about GitHub and DSA, you need to keep in mind DSA is a club. GitHub is not a club. GitHub is basically a repository where you basically store all your data. You collaborate, you work with developers. You're right about collaborating, but here in DSA we work differently. We sit together, we discuss different ideas, we discuss about different projects that's going to help the society in some manner. Turn your creative ideas into realities. So this is kind of a different thing that you think from GitHub. Yes, GitHub will be a part of DSA itself because you'll be using that in time. So yes, DSA is different from GitHub like that. So I think we have taken much questions. I think we can move on to the next part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we will be having a small quiz or a mentee quiz, you can say. Now, should we start that? Before that, we want everyone present here to go to menti.com, and as you can see the code that has been displayed. You can just add that code in the place and start the game.
You can actually open it in a new tab, but we would suggest you to open this in your mobile itself so that you can actually see the screen.
So, Suryanshu, will you be presenting the?
Yeah,
the
just give me a second. I guess Swaraj has to cut the presentation for me to share. Yeah.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so we'll just wait for 30 seconds or more, then we'll start.
Join.
The website is menti.com and the code is 6888139.
Yeah, we have the link and the code in the chat box itself.
Or if anyone is finding an issue, just go here.
There are 107 attendees, so we are expecting all of you to join.
I guess we can start now.
Let's wait for a minute.
Let's wait for a minute.
Just for a minute. Guys, join fast. We are running out of time. So I think Suryanshu, we are ready to go.
Let's start. Okay, so
here's our first question. In which movie did Hawkeye first appear? I'm not a Marvel fan, so I don't really know.
This is actually a really tricky question. So I'm expecting that many of them will be getting it wrong. So let's see what happens.
I think that's going to as
expected, yeah. As expected.
Most of them got it wrong.
Most of them didn't know that Hawkeye. I don't think there are a lot of Hawkeye fans here.
Yeah, I'm personally not a Marvel fan. Sorry for
Hawkeye
it.
is really underrated, man. It is.
But he's a great character.
If you realize in Thor, when he was actually going to pick up the hammer, Hawkeye was there standing up on a crane to shoot him on orders of Nick Fury. I think you missed out that part. So yes, it was Thor where he appeared first.
Give some respect to Hawkeye, people. He's still good.
Oh my God.
Okay, let's move on to the next question.
Yeah.
Okay, so in this question, you guys have a knack for good names, right? Khotta, Ambula, Heartstorm, like, wow. Okay, cool. Then let's see how long this leaderboard remains. Moving on to the next question. So this is just a type of answer in the chat, guys. Who do you think is your favorite superhero? Abhishek, who is yours actually?
Yeah.
It will just pop up. See, it just came up here. That's amazing. I just knew it's gonna come up.
There are two names, Iron Man and Batman.
Yeah,
Which one would be?
Now we are going to have a war regarding that. But I see two Iron Mans over there, so many Iron Mans actually there. So yeah, you know who's
There are people who are going to say that Darkseid is the favorite superhero.
Actually, someone wrote my seniors.
Oh, nice.
Nice. I hope we are by seniors you actually meant us. So
Yeah.
we are very lucky.
We're really hoping that you made us.
That is amazing.
Well, I guess most of the common answers are Iron Man and Batman only.
There's a Loki, there's a Hulk, there is everyone. But I don't think there's a lot of DC fans over here because I only see Batman. There's no Superman. There's no Green
I think
Lantern.
you can see Green Lantern over there.
Yeah. Sorry. Green Lantern came over. Sorry. Yeah.
Still underrated by the way.
Yes, someone wrote Shaktiman.
See.
Yeah,
The previous question is justified. There is no Hawkeye here, so he's so underrated, man. Seriously, at least give him some respect, please.
Okay. But you will see Shaktiman around there too. I think he should be included in Justice League as well.
That was a great taste. Shaktiman
Such
is
is
a
Hawkeye.
superhero.
Yeah.
Okay, I think.
Okay,
we have
moving on to the
Uttaran's
next
mindset
part.
too. Yeah, move on to the next part.
Okay, moving on to the next question.
I guess people will be guessing this right because it's a common question, and this was the first Avengers movie. So if you're a Marvels fan, then you must be knowing this.
Yeah, you must have seen this ugly
Yeah.
one over there.
So I am sure so many would be confused about this. So let's see what
Let's
happens.
see.
I think Kree is the correct answer. Okay, somebody wrote Batman
Okay,
was
we-
responsible
Yeah.
for COVID.
And this shows that people do know about their
People,
Marvel.
yeah, that was nice, man. Did you guys Google it up? I guess so. You did.
I think you
Be
did,
honest,
but-
just write in the chat yes or no. Be honest with this.
No. Someone is saying no.
Oh, nice.
No.
Okay, let's
Yeah,
see
that
now
was-
the leaderboard.
I don't trust you guys, man. Oh, nice. Khattamla is still leading. Wow, nice.
Yeah, I'm on the third position. I'm so happy.
Well, Rupesh, you have come down. You're like third from the last.
Yeah, actually, I'm not participating. I don't know which Rupesh is that. But whoever that is, hi.
I think one from our team, though. Never mind. We can move on to the next question.
Let's
Yeah.
move on to the next. Okay,
This is a
so
nice question. So, guys, tell us what is the motivation to join this club. Yeah. I would actually like to ask Prajojita, like, what is her motivation to join this club or be a part of this club?
I would say the first thing that I noticed coming to this club was the teamwork, the cohesiveness with which every team member works. It develops a kind of urge in you to join this club, and the drive that you feel, just that you gain a lot of experience, a lot of knowledge, a lot of exposure. So yeah, club is something where you can just develop your overall personality. So that's that.
We're really happy to have you on board.
Same
we are
here.
getting some answers here. We are getting some answers here, guys, like zeal to learn.
To learn. That's really amazing.
Okay, rejection.
Rejection.
Okay, now this is.
Okay.
Okay, I could
That is a
actually
great
relate it.
motivation.
Yeah.
Oh,
Learning, great.
Okay.
Collaborate. Yeah, that's the one reason. Let's agree with that.
Google.
We all came here saying
I
about
was,
Google.
I
agree
was
with
hoping
that.
actually, I was hoping someone would write Sundar Pichai, but no one is writing that one. I don't know why.
I think it's not that inspiring, but let's not go with that.
Oh, the participants themselves today. That's
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
That was from my side, I assume. Yes. That's from
Yeah.
my side.
Yeah, the participants are awesome.
learning itself.
Google Home Mini. Okay, now
Arey yaar.
this is not going to happen if you're not going to perform well, though. Yeah, you might win one, but yes, you have to perform well in the club.
They learn, develop, grow.
Yeah, you just picked up one of the mottos of DSC. Peer-to-peer learning. That's amazing. Test myself on the knowledge that I already possess. Yeah, that's great.
That's a great answer. Yeah.
To develop and learn creative things. That's absolutely amazing.
Why did you
And I
guys
learned
forget
something.
networking?
Yeah,
Let's
actually.
not move into that. I want to learn something new beyond my knowledge.
You will definitely be getting lots of opportunities here for that.
Exactly.
And development and teamwork.
To learn development and teamwork.
Okay, laughing on memes. That's
Laughing on memes.
Yeah,
we might have that session though.
That's what we do. That's what we do
That's what
all
we
day.
do.
exactly. Done with community. That's perfect.
Yeah, community.
Become a developer of skill.
Upskill. Great.
To learn new skills, to collaborate and learn from others, and obviously bugs. Yeah, who forgets bugs? Bugs is the most
Yeah,
important thing.
Exactly. That's something that will be motivating you throughout the journey of DSC.
Exactly.
We have
The
tons
intention
of
development.
answers. Tons of great answers.
Okay.
Lovely responses, guys.
There's a lot of learn, right? Like you guys, are you kind of bookies or what?
I think they want to learn first and then implement second. I think that works.
Wait, इसमें kick है, yeah, इसमें kick तो है.
Uh,
Great. I think
Development.
you have Salman Khan fans around here, right?
Get a good guide from you guys.
Okay, Abhishek, this one is particularly for you.
To be Android developer, to be honest, and I have always been to work in team, and this would be fulfilled. Yeah, great. I would really love to have you on board.
Of course, for the khatti, exactly. That's what hackathons make great people and open
I
source.
would like to improve that. That was more of a technical khatti, I would like to say.
yeah.
Definitely.
It's not like we always do that. We actually talk about technical stuff.
That's 1% of the time we talk about technical stuff, 99% is the actual khatti.
Interaction between members. Yeah, you can have that. I love Google Apps and all, and the OS also, the font, everything of Google I love. I want to be a part of it, and it will be amazing. Yeah, it is all about Google Developer Student Club. The name of the club itself has Google in it. Okay, Suryanshu, I think we have too many responses, and it's really great to read. Like, thank you so much for all your responses. It's not possible to read all of them,
But
but
we guys
still, we
understand.
loved your responses. We'd like to move on to the next section actually, because I think that's
move
going to
on to the
be
next
really
one.
important for you all. Oh, we have more questions. So sorry, I forgot about
So this is a recent news, guys. So
I guess this is a tough question. Let's see how many can answer this.
Let's see how many of them gets this answer correct.
किसका जीके
It's
बहुत ही
been
अच्छा है
recent
देखते हैं
news.
यार.
I think I fail in that particular.
So do I.
Don't worry, guys.
Thank you,
We
bhaiya.
are with
It's a
you.
great time developing my understanding and honing my skills with you in JDS. Well,
thank you.
hi, this is Arya, and you all must be very excited to learn.
Arya, just stay on with us.
okay,
We have the question.
I didn't expect this good response.
Yeah,
Like
actually.
most of them get a good answer.
No, I'm sure that people are
Yeah,
googling it up.
exactly.
I'm sure that people are googling it up.
No. Let's not doubt that.
Let's see. There is.
Someone is saying Tukka OP. Some of the people are guessing the answer.
Okay, I think it's
Okay, so
okay. I think
the hierarchy
King
has been
is leading.
changed.
Would really love to know who King is in the chat box. Please don't fake away, guys. So you can actually move on to the next. Congratulations,
Yes.
King. What's the next question? So your answers will be anonymous here, so you can actually give up your answers. Don't be shy. You can actually share anything.
I'm really excited to hear the stories, guys.
Come on, guys. 15 seconds. Just one word, few words. We don't want to.
Yes.
It's completely anything you want.
If you're coming to GDS, then you must have some funny stories, because it's not only development; it's having funny stories too. So that's why.
Okay, listening story. Too clumsy. More fish get proper guidance.
No.
I guess. Too clumsy.
Okay, just exclude the there's no correct answer. Actually, all the
Yeah,
answers are
ignore
correct.
that. Ignore that.
Happy about everything. I copy
Captive is great. I really
It's
love
not
that.
embarrassing. It shouldn't be. And being an introvert isn't as well.
Someone actually became honest and wrote, "I copy paste codes from my friends."
Yes.
We do have.
That's nice.
I think someone wrote that he or she doesn't like Batman.
Oh.
That's
Priti, any comments? So many of them are writing they're procrastinators.
Yeah, this guy is in lots. This guy is in quite a pain, man.
Rejection again, all pain. Oh my god.
Okay, why have you gone through so many rejections? We are accepting you. We are happily accepting you, boy. Or girl, whatever.
Running into a transparent glass, I can totally relate.
Yeah, that has happened
It's
to everyone. I
painful.
guess. Yeah, that has happened to everyone. Walk a day, take a break of 10 days.
I am a very young angry man.
I make lame jokes. They all make lame jokes here.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Yeah,
mind. I don't.
somebody wrote my voice.
especially the one who said that I don't make lame jokes. He's the one who
Okay,
makes
okay.
the most lame jokes.
Okay, moving on. So someone wrote my voice.
I'm
Your voice.
guessing. I'm guessing my voice is fun or my voice is interesting. I don't want to go. My voice is embarrassing.
Exactly.
Yeah, I
Your
am
voice
actually
is embarrassing,
confused.
obviously.
Okay.
Okay, I once ate my teacher's lunch and went home and no one knew about it.
Oh my god.
So interesting. Come on, you're so dead.
That is a really good. That is a really good story, man.
And
Would love to
someone
hear
can
about it.
mimic Nobita. Would love to hear that in BSc.
I'm great at vomiting. Someone wrote.
We would not love to see that though, but you can actually continue doing that. Not a problem. We like it. So,
Okay,
We
let's
don't
move on to
promote
the
that.
next part.
let's
Yeah,
move
of
on.
course. Coming to the last part of this.
Yeah, this is an interesting question. I
It's a
guess.
question. It's a good question.
I believe it was psychokinesis. Like, if I'm not wrong, he was able to control everyone.
I'm not sure what was it, but whatever it was, he was able to beat everyone. Even he was able to beat Batman. So that's dope, man.
Yeah.
Oh,
that is
Come on,
amazing.
guys.
so many of them.
Joker never had any power.
Suryansu gave the wrong answer to the people.
Hey, I'm a Marvel fan. I don't see DC. I just guessed it. The
I
word looked
think
cool.
The
Not my
one
fault.
answer given by all is I can't read it. It's psychokinesis, I assume, and it's mind control, and I don't think he possesses that. Professor X does that. So none was the correct answer.
He can manipulate people, but he does not have that psychokinesis.
He's just too intelligent in a way.
So who is our winner now?
Okay, now we know who Khatta Ambulo is.
Exactly. Who's
Check the
winner?
comments.
He's been exposed.
Okay.
Congrats, Abhishek.
I think I won, so you can actually ignore my name. Who's the second? Who's the second one to win? This wasn't intended, guys.
Okay.
I think the second name we can't read it again, but Shirin, can you see the second name? I think it's ended.
Urmit Kaur, just a second.
Urmit Kaur. Congratulations,
Congratulations,
Urmit.
Urmit Kaur. Congratulations.
Please conduct a conjuring quiz. This was just a test one, like a small one. We'll be conducting many quizzes in the upcoming days, the fun ones. So don't worry about that. Okay,
Guys,
great. So I think let's move on to the second section.
Yeah.
We are really ahead of time. Arish Reyes, would you like to take this up?
Okay, Bhaiya, it has been a great time in developing my understanding and honing my skills with you in GDSC. Hello there, this is Arya, and you all must be very excited to know how all of you are going to join GDSC, isn't it? But before that, before we join a club, a team, or even a group, we all have certain expectations, isn't it? For example, if I were to join a superhero team, I would expect something like matching superhero costumes for everyone, or something like laser gloves. You get the idea, right? So the underlying thing is we all expect something from the club we are going to join. So I would love to know what all you are expecting from GDSC. Just write it in the chat box. Just write whatever you expect from the club. Meanwhile, I have with me my fellow GDSC member Javed. Welcome, Javed.
Yeah, hello everyone. Hi Arya.
Hello, Javed.
Yeah, so we
would
are
you like
getting
to?
responses.
Yeah, we are getting a lot of responses. But before that, would you like to express what are your expectations from GDSC, Javed?
See, it has been already mentioned by our team leads that the club doesn't want to restrict us to a particular domain. Okay,
Yeah.
so I would like to go beyond the scope of my domain and to learn new things. Okay, but the most important thing that not just me but all the other fellow club members would be looking forward to, that is the DSC Solution Challenge 2021. It's
That's
a
great.
big event, so we'll be looking forward to it. Okay,
Yeah.
let's see the response.
We have many responses, Javed. Let's address some. Debidatta has said get development. Well, that's a very good point to make, and we'll get into it. Swasti Rautraya said to learn programming language so I can participate in GDOS. GSOC. Okay, GSOC. Okay, Google some report.
Vinod Vishwal has written getting new ideas and working on them. That's really great.
That's
What the
really
club is all
great.
about.
Yeah, because in GDSC members who are expert in their particular domains. Okay, so if you have a project, we can discuss it and we can formulate a solution for your project.
Okay,
Project
now
management.
I guess they are eager. They are eagerly waiting for the link. They are just
Yeah. Can anyone help out with the link? Yeah, you will be getting the link.
anyone can
Want to
share
make
the
the hard copy of an
so
idea. Okay, that's great. That's great. Okay, we should move on to the next section, the most exciting part, the registrations part. So if anyone is feeling drowsy, anyone is feeling sleepy, just get up real quick because the registrations are going to start very soon. Okay.
Swaraj, would you like
Okay, we
to-
have a question actually. Navneet has asked, want to explore how an idea is converted into an application. Navneet, for this, I would like to ask Abhishek Bhaiya if you can take on this one. Abhishek Bhaiya, if you please.
Actually missed out the question. What was the question again?
Navneet has asked, want to explore how an idea is converted into an application. Basically, how an idea is converted into application.
So it's basically you take up the idea, work on
Yeah.
it, think like different domains or like different ways you can actually implement the idea, and then it's done. Discuss with different team members, groups, and you can actually complete the idea into an accurate application.
Thank you, Abhishek Bhaiya. Well put. So I think we have built up to your expectations and we can move on to the next section. Are you all ready for the registration? Swaraj, if you can let me.
Guys.
Yeah. Swaraj, if you can. Now, if you can just spam the registration link in the chat box, all must be excited for it. All are waiting for it eagerly.
Yeah.
Let me
So,
show you the
Aya,
registration process.
Why don't you
It
share
is-
your screen?
Yeah.
So guys, please go to the chat box. Okay, we have shared a link here, gdsc.community.dev.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on that link, and you can see that join us button over there. Just click on it. Yeah, so either you have already registered, or if you haven't, you have to just sign in using your Google account. And after signing in, that's it. Now you are a part of the club. Okay.
That's that easy to become a part of Google Developer Student Club CET Bhubaneswar.
Yeah, I guess that was the simplest registration process I have ever seen, or you guys have seen.
Yeah, that's
So,
great, isn't it?
Let
Are
me
we
tell
getting
you,
anything after it?
let me tell you another amazing thing, that since now you are a part of this club, you guys would be getting badges, okay, for being a member.
Wow, that's great, isn't it? We can just
Yeah.
flex our badges with our peers. That see, I have a badge with Google written in it. Isn't it?
So the badges should be sent to your respective emails, and after you get the badges, you can share it on your LinkedIn or any other social media accounts.
Yeah.
Or you can just show it off to your friends who are in other colleges. Like, see, now we are also a part of this club, okay?
Yeah.
But don't forget to tag us, okay? That's the
Just
most
tag us.
important thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For everyone who are having problems with the sign in, I have already signed in. No, join us is fine. Because you have already signed in and you are already part of GDSC. Showing you have been a member. Yes, you have already been a member of GDSC. Enjoy the badge. KDS said, I wish it was that easy to get a vaccination shot.
Yeah, that's a good.
Great. So let's move on to the next section, Javed.
Yeah, sure. Well, this is something really interesting. Okay, so
Seems like a
yeah.
program of some sort, isn't it?
Yeah, I just want you guys to take a moment and try to figure out what this code is trying to convey. Okay.
Yeah.
So I would just be taking a pause for a moment, and I would just let you guys think. Okay. Comment on the chat box. Whatever comes to your mind when you.
Whatever you understand from this piece of code, whatever this piece of code is trying to convey, just write it in the chat box.
Quickly, guys.
Okay, we're waiting for your connotation
responses.
Yeah. Whatever you understand from the piece of code, you might not understand the full code, but whatever parts of the code you understand, please write them in the chat box.
I guess. Oh, समझ नहीं आ रहा. Okay, I guess we should assume that some of them have got what this code is all about, and
Drink
they are
coffee,
just
yeah.
too lazy
That's
to
the
type
part.
it out on the chat box. Okay, so
Debidata has given the answer. Javed,
Yeah.
register, claim, and get ready to be a part of the journey. That's correct. Yeah.
That's one of the part. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
but I just want to add that this function, this program just shows the journey of a GDSC programmer. Okay. First of all, the member has to register. Member.register equals to true. The member has to register. We are registering before getting vaccination, isn't it? So why not register before joining such a prestigious club? So you have to register. Claim badge equals to true. You will get a badge. You will get to flex it among your peers. That's awesome, isn't it? Self-development plus. Well, self-development is there. Project. You will develop projects. You will develop ideas. Development will be there. Overall development is there. Consume coffee plus. For me, consuming coffee is optional. You might take it, you might not take it. It is up to you. If solution challenge is active, member.participate equals to true. So this is a very important part. So all members of GDSC have to take part in solution challenge. Solution challenge is applicable only for GDSC members. So make sure you do not miss it. And that's how you become a full-fledged member of Google Developer Student Club, CET Bhubaneswar. And with that, I feel we have come to the conclusion of this induction program. I would like to hand it over to Anisha for final words on the same.
Well, thank you so much, Arya. So, well, we have come to the end of our induction. Thank you so much for your time and patience. We hope you have gotten an insight of the club. I mean, as much as you guys are excited, we are also excited to welcome you. So, given on the screen, you can see the social media handles that you can join, where you will be updated about regarding the various events of the club, especially the Discord channel, as that is somewhere that we are most active. So even all the others also, we are very active over there. So make sure to join that. Priyanka, please share those links so that they can join as fast as possible.
Guys, do remember to join all these. These are actually important, and we'll be conveying all upcoming events and all related stuff, all stuff that are related to TSC here. So just follow everywhere, mainly Discord.
Yes, because and one more thing about the Discord channel, you have to verify yourselves. If you don't verify yourselves, you guys won't be able to have access to the channels and all. So please make sure that you verify once you join the Discord channel. And okay, you have already
Actually, once you join the Discord, and pop-up will automatically come up asking you to verify yourself. So the verification is present over there, so you can actually carry on that.
Okay, so I think, okay, you guys have the links. Please join it as fast as possible. And so that's it for today. This is the GDSC team signing off. So until next time, thank you so much and have a lovely evening ahead. Thank you so much.